How to register for athletics at Spring-Ford Area School District. First, start by going to the Spring-Ford website, go to the athletics page, select athletic registration, and get started. Spring-Ford creates student accounts for big teams. Parents must create a new account. All emails and passwords are case sensitive. You will be prompted to change the password when you first log in to your student account. Now let's link the student and the parent. To do this, select Linked Accounts from the student profile and click Link Parent Account. Search for the parent's name or email and click Send Request. The parent will receive an email to accept the request. Once accepted, you are now linked with your student. Now you can start filling out the forms. Please note you can be logged in either the parent or the student, but when signatures and initials are needed, the other person will have to log in to complete. Select the sports you would like to participate in. You can always go back and add or remove sports. Add the school by searching for Spring-Ford High School. Start completing all forms. There are a total of 11 forms to be completed. You can always see the status of your form. Only one form will need to be printed and signed, then uploaded, the PIAA physical exam form, which will need to be administered by a doctor. We cannot accept any other physical forms. Once all forms are completed, the athletic office will be notified and approve the forms needing staff approval. At this point, your student can now try out for the selected sports. If you have any questions, please email the athletic office with your student's full name and grade. Thanks for watching.